Hello friends, welcome to Easy Kids Draw.
Today we're gonna draw the beautiful butterfly with coloring step by step, so let's start it. I'm drawing the butterfly from insects. It's the first time of drawing butterfly from insects. See the video till end to learn the butterfly drawing. I'm drawing the body of butterfly. It's going to make so beautiful. It's turn for drawing the wings of butterfly. The wings of butterfly is making the butterfly so wonderful. It's time for making some design for their wings. It's the beautiful face of butterfly. Wow, it's making so wonderful. Some beautiful hearts. It's turn for color of the butterfly. Let's color it white-green color. It's time for coloring the wings. Let's color it pink color. It's the second turn. It's making so wonderful. Wow, the wings are making so wonderful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.